Poor credit score could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Increasing your score from fair to good saves you an average of $86,200 over a lifetime. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. Did you know that 82% of financial problems are due to a lack of credit card knowledge? With over 75 million people in the United States in need of credit improvement or repair, one of the largest issues is the lack of credit know-how. A good credit score is essential if you want to enjoy financial freedom. Learn how to use credit cards to build good credit. Good credit doesn't happen overnight. Discover the most effective strategies to boost your credit score from as low as 450 points to over 810. Understand the tactics to build excellent credit for yourself and how to guard that good score for a lifetime. Improve your credit score in 45 to 60 days or less. This practical credit compendium reveals over 50 ways you can instantly boost your credit rating. Understand the exact mathematical algorithm that all three major credit bureaus use to calculate your credit score. Learn what actions you can take to improve your credit score and what behavior will demote it. High Credit Score Secrets reveals how to get free credit reports and monitoring services, quick solutions to the most common credit problems, best credit practice based on age and profession, what credit cards to use based on your financial needs. Understand exactly what credit agencies are looking for. Most effective ways to build and improve your credit score. Step-by-step process to settling your debts. Best identity theft protection and monitoring services. Include simple and easy-to-follow instructions on how to handle credit bureaus if they refuse to remove inaccurate, unverifiable, and questionable information. What you need to know about the recent consumer-friendly reforms in lending, credit score calculation, and credit bureau behavior. You are in good hands with Thomas Harold. Thomas Harold is the author of over 35 financial books. He published the Harold Financial IQ series, which explains over 1,000 financial terms in 16 editions. He is an expert in the financial world and understands how to educate and teach in simple and easy ways. Smart, do-it-yourself credit repair. Learn the exact methods that the credit bureaus don't want you to know. Apply the simple step-by-step process the experts use to delete all derogatory items from your credit reports. Bankruptcies, late payments, repossession, collections, judgments, liens, etc. Imagine being pre-qualified for your dream home, the car you always wanted, the lowest interest rate on any loan, and credit cards with zero interest rates over long periods of time. Don't let bad credit hold you back from achieving financial freedom. Your credit score not only influences all your future choices, but it also can save you thousands of dollars. In today's financial-driven world, it is the most critical decision to keep educating yourself. You deserve to have good credit. Don't be afraid to step up and get a handle on your credit score and report. It's not rocket science, and you have the right to know how you can get good credit and keep it. Start raising your credit score. Order your copy now and save 75% on the Kindle version.